Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for May 12th, 2015. We're going to have a cold front that's going to approach today, but it's going to come through in the evening hours, and it's still going to allow some pretty substantial heating for the eastern half and southeastern portions of our coverage area here. So another day, much like we had yesterday for those areas, but we will have this cold front pushing through, and that cold front is going to be attached to this area of low pressure that's moving up through southeastern Canada. Now this that I'm circling right here is the remnants of what was once Anna. It's now moving off to the northeast here. And one of the things Anna is going to do is going to steal some energy from this front as this moves off rapidly to the northeast here. So even though it's moving away, and you have another system up here with a little bit better forcing, the best forcing is going to be up here to the north here with this area of low pressure. As this front moves eastward, it's going to be robbed of some moisture here. So not expecting much or if any precipitation at all as this moves through. Here's a look at Tuesday evening, and where to go? No, nothing there at all to really speak of. Of course, best forcing being up here. You do have some showers and thunderstorms up in that area, but nothing down in our coverage area at all. It's really a shame because we could use it. We will get the windy conditions, though, this afternoon. So it looks like for most areas it's going to be a fog and clouds for areas in the east that have had it the last couple days, probably burning off by mid-morning, and then we have the same kind of type of day for the eastern areas. Areas of the west that are going to be closer to the front won't get quite as warm. Here's a look at the NAM, and this is a look at the temperatures here expected. You can see, again, higher temperatures are sitting over here in this area here. And this is ahead of that front. That's where the strongest southwesterly winds, but you go back to State College here, you're in the low 70s. So it's a big deal, big difference here between what is back here and what's in here. And then a lot of this cooler air is going to be making it in here for the day on Wednesday. Those windy conditions will continue. You can see the tight isobars here. This will be coming a little bit, staying with us through the overnight hours, and again during the day on Wednesday with those gusty winds. You have some gusts over 30 miles per hour with this, and this lasts through the day, especially the first half of Wednesday, and then it starts to die down a little bit later. Next thing we're going to be looking for is high pressure that's going to be moving over our area here. This high pressure is going to be sitting right over the Great Lakes and making a run at us. This is going to be on Thursday where this moves over top of us. So Thursday will be one of those not a cloud in the sky type days as high pressure sitting right over top of you. So we're not expecting anything in the way of precipitation. Not many. If you find a cloud, good luck. And then we get into the later part of the week. We do start to moderate a little bit. Like I said, we're going to be a little bit cooler behind that cold front that's going to come through here on Tuesday evening. So by the time we get to Wednesday, well, temperatures might actually be below normal by a couple degrees on Wednesday, but then we're going to go right back to near normal on Thursday. With high pressure over top of us, and then when we get into Friday, temperatures start going back to above normal. So only slightly above normal, but above normal nonetheless. And then we have this warm front that's going to be making a run at us here, and this is going to bring us the opportunity for some showers moving into the overnight hours Friday night, and lasting into Saturday here with some showers and thunderstorms. Hopefully something will materialize out of this. I know, again, it's over the weekend, not the most ideal time, but with outdoor plants and things like that. But when you're dealing with a situation where we're below normal rainfall, we'll take what we can get no matter what day or time it comes. And I think that's what we're going to have to sacrifice, I think, here on Saturday with those showers and thunderstorms. Hopefully we can get some decent amounts out of that. And then Sunday, it looks like it's going to be one of those clouds getting way to sun type deals. Might have a few may have a leftover early shower here Sunday morning. Here's a look at Sunday morning. This high pressure that's sitting here over Maine is actually going to back down to the southwest, and it's going to dry us out here. The areas here that I'm circling here to our southwest areas may still be stuck in the clouds a little bit longer here on Sunday, and may get that extra shower here until that pushes off. Here's a look at Sunday evening. You see the high pressure building in a little bit more and pushing those clouds and showers a little bit further to the southwest. So looks like this second half of the weekend will be better than the first as far as as far as clouds are concerned. The better the 2 outside days. Can't even ignore the possibility of a shower on Sunday, but I do think some areas, especially the further northeast you go, will be drying out for Sunday, and the clouds giving way to sun type deal. And then we'll be also warming up as we get into Sunday into probably close to 80 degrees again in some areas, as this we start to warm up behind this with the way the position the high pressure is in at this point. So looks like it's going to be below normal for Wednesday, going back to near normal Thursday, then back slightly above normal both Friday and Saturday with the rain. Sunday we go back to well above normal once again. Eastern PA weather authority meteorologist Bobby March. That is your outlook for May 12th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.